Hello there. Now this is second and third day. I didn't have time to upload a video. Sorry about that. But I just wanted to experiment whether the technicals are reliable. I think like if there is not a very drastic news like coronavirus or something like that, usually the market will follow the trend line and they will trade according to the technicals are very important. Okay, so if you learn technical analysis, that's the trend analysis. I have given you the book, right? You have to study, you have to spend some time and study, because you see people spend 10-20 years just to get 20,000 per month. This is insane, right? And you don't want to spend 1 or 2 years to learn something which is so valuable in your life. Like, without this financial knowledge, uh, you will be bankrupted. The reason why I'm saying is because I'm not trying to look down upon your salary, but whatever salary you have, this should not be ignored in your life. If you have a better salary, you can become more rich from there, because it's needed, right? And moreover, when you have money, you can technically help others. Okay, so money is very important in the sense that you have a power of helping someone, okay, who is in need. In that sense, and moreover fulfilling some of the basic demands of your life, you need that. So you don't say that money is evil or something like that. Not having money is evil. Okay, having money is very good thing, because you can explore many options, you can help many people. So this is the reason why I wanted to have some more power on this, because I have the salary, but it's not enough. It's enough for me. Okay, but if I want to spread my hand and do something else, and let's say we have some donation going on, I want to become a philanthropy actually. So if we have such a desire to help someone in need, financially, or I don't want to go and beg someone, okay, give me some donation, I want to help. No, I want to be strong enough to have the power in my own hand. Okay, so because of that, you have to study. So what I'm saying was, I was just I'm not bragging myself, because I'm in a stage of learning, and I don't recommend this. Okay, don't think that okay, he bought this. Now if you buy, you might lose the money because the time is gone. Okay, it's not about which stock. Okay, stocks are all there. It's about when to buy the right stock in the right time. Okay, this is the very important thing. So technically you have to be very much, when you study the technicals. Later on I will upload some videos on how to analyze the technicals. Okay, but for now I just want to show you the possibility. I'm just showing you the possibility. From the several days I'm speaking and I'm crying out to people, but no one is willing to listen. Even if I'm giving them the money, he said no, I don't want. Okay, so this is very strange. But anyways, if you look at this, my total investment was 25k. So anyone can try with 25k. You usually use somewhere, but proper studying is important. After you properly study and you understand what is it happening, what is it that is happening there, you can move on. Okay, you can try with little amount, and then you see if you I'm trying with the little amount. Okay, this is what I'm doing. So 25k is technically speaking is little amount, and I'm just trying. See, when I saw the technical of Edelweiss, I find it very beautiful, so I just entered. I didn't take anyone's recommendation. I was just scanning the charts and I saw the technicals. Okay, I don't know, actually some of the stocks like Coforge, okay, I don't even know what the fundamental of this company. I really, till now, I don't know. Okay, frankly speaking, Central Bank, I know. Central Bank, how to say, it took a lot of time to go up, but now it's trading like 18 or something like that, 18 something. If you see this profit here, there's like 18 means around 2 rupees profit is there. So 380 into 2, around 680. But yesterday, after getting this profit, I just exited. Okay, I just exited because I found it very slow. Otherwise the profit was more. Okay, this is the minimum profit. I didn't sell DLF. I didn't sell Eicher Motor. I sell it the next day. Was Eicher Motor was this price. You see, Eicher Motor, how much was it? I didn't sell it because you see it was growing. So why could I sell it? Why would I sell it? Well, it was 152, right? The next day it become 258. Okay, so it's 100 gain. So you don't sell it. Actually, I gained 300. The time when I sell, it went up. Okay, so I sell it around 300. Now Motilal 408, but I'm telling you, I will not sell it now because I'm seeing it growing. Okay, it's growing, so let it grow to its maximum. You will learn when I talk about technicals. You will learn when to exit. Okay, so for now it's growing. So here I book the profit of 408. IRCTC. Well, let me see let me see my present holding, which I haven't sold. This is I'm just trying to experiment. There are some negatives also, definitely, like how many losing. This is altogether 20 or 30 rupees. Okay, but this is just correction. Okay, it will just simply move up next day. You just see. Okay, next when I upload the next one, you'll see. But right now the Kotak Bank was negative. It started gaining. Now Tata Steel, I'm very much bearish. I will sell it because it's already overbought. People have bought it a lot. So right now IRCTC, let me see whether it gained or not. IRCTC, it was 180. It went down a little bit. But I see it's going to go up. Okay, so I will not sell it right now. IRCTC, I will not sell it right now because it's growing. Now Aarti Drug, it went up and then it came down. Okay, so I'm not going to sell this also either. Aarti Drug, I will not sell it because this is definitely, you see the next day, you just see, go and click on Aarti Drug and see if it will grow. It will grow around, maybe around 200. Sorry, this is 733, right? I have to see the technicals to tell you exactly where it will go, but you will get around 400 profit, 300, 400 profit. I'll show you the time when I book the profit. I will show you the profit. This is a prediction. This is not prediction. This is a technical. The technical speaks. Okay, technical speaks loudly. So this one I told you I will just exit. Okay, so I'm not telling you to buy the stocks. Okay, Avanti Feed. Actually, Avanti Feed, I already booked the profit. Now this is just a trial version. Okay, so I'm not actually. I booked the profit here. Where is it? Hey, where is my Avanti Feed? Gone. Avanti Feed here. I booked the profit already. I didn't want to wait because it was already on the oversold area, or overbought area. So I just sell it. So technically that day it was 10. I book today. I think yesterday was the last day of trading, right? No, day before yesterday I booked this 1488. Okay, that's one day. So it means that I could have booked 14,000 also. So but I have to practice. I will practice this for 1 year first before spending more, because this is just my not even 1 month of trading, and it's yielding. It doesn't mean that it will yield. Okay, because you have to see whether you have some mistakes or not. The best thing I like is I lose money. Okay, when I lose, I see where is the mistake, but when I win, I don't know the mistakes. Okay, so that's the only problem with winning. So anyways, what I'm saying is I'm showing you the possibility. Let's say if I would have bought 100 stock here, which is not too much. Okay, this is around 75,000. Okay, 100 stocks would be around like 67,000. Okay, so you get 4,200 in a day. Okay, now this one, for buying 50 stocks, you would have needed 24,000. Okay, 24,000, and you would have 3,000 here, right? So what we are getting is 7,000 already in this two. This was just one stock. If I had bought 10 stock, which would cost me around 30,000. Again, 2,808 added. Okay, so this one I could have bought one more, is 3,800 stocks. Then would take me 64,000. So if you see, there's like 2 lakhs of investment, right? 2 lakhs. I have 1.5 here, but 2 lakhs of investment. If I just pump it on these 4 stocks, then we have 3450, right? 3450. You see how much it is? Here we already have 7, 3, 10, 12 or 13,000 rupees in a day is not a bad thing with 2 lakhs of investment. So you have to look for opportunities, and you will definitely get more. I'm not asking you to buy. Okay, if you buy, you might lose it, because you have to know the right time. But I'm showing you there's a possibility here where you can earn around. This is too much, because this is not always this happens. Okay, this for me it's happening, because for me it's happening. You see, again the next day, this is, I have not yet booked. I booked Ambuja Cement. Okay, I booked Ambuja Cement. See, I already sold it. This is, I already sold it. But Aisha Motor also I booked it later on. IRCTC I didn't book. This is for the next waiting. Okay, next waiting I'll book in the next waiting. So same thing around. You see, this will be around 4,000, 2,000, 6,000, and 8,000, around 10,000, right? If you see the RT drug is around 10,000. So I'm just, these are the trial versions. These are just for experimenting my knowledge. Okay, this is not. So this is what you can do. You can just start with 300 or 400. Just take one stock. Okay, 400-500, and see. This is more important, whether you are gaining a percentage or not. Okay, if it is positive, no matter how much is the amount, it doesn't matter. If it has to be positive. Okay, and consistently, like this was a constant one. Then I made a choice of RT Drug, Tech Mahindra, Kotak Bank. Okay, these are all positive, you see. So the positivity is more important. Okay, this one I was just joking with this Wellspun IIFL. IIFL I bought it actually. IIFL went down, but I'm afraid it will go down more. So I have to exit this trade, even if I have 1.6 rupees loss. I have to exit, because I see the technicals are telling something bad here. So that's how we do, right? That's how we do. I'm just giving you a possibility of how much we can actually make from here. Actually, Rajesh went up suddenly, and it was 600 rupees. And by the time a call came, and I was trying to exit, I just missed the exit, so just left it. Let's say, okay, wait for a while, because Rajesh Export is in the circle. If you see the technical, it's coming from them, and it's like this right now. It's here. So usually the technicians, they believe that once it came down like this in a rounding pattern, they call it rounding pattern, it goes up to this area. It goes up to this area, means, so it can technically just 1% of this one. There's only one guy here can give me around 10,000 rupees profit. Just one guy. So I have to wait for this guy. Okay, because this guy is a little bit naughty. It takes time, because it's export of gold. This company is export of gold, and it has a big gold processing places and many jewelry shops. Definitely it's a growing company, but the thing is, because of the pandemic, it's slowed down. Otherwise, if it was not for pandemic, I don't know where it would have jumped around. You could never buy this one in 507, because this was a straight up stock. Okay, this is what we have to analyze the stocks. We have to know the fundamentals, and definitely without technicals you cannot do anything in stock market. So, but the possibility is definitely, even if you don't trade, you should learn about it, and you see how much you can make it actually. Okay, so I will end it here.